secant square x is equal to tan x. So, this is equal to pi into tan x 0 to pi n plus pi into x 0 to pi. Sorry, this is integration of x dx is equal to x. So, x 0 to pi. So, look here children, this is equal to pi into minus 1 minus y minus 1 minus pi into tan pi is 0 minus tan 0 is 0 plus pi into x is equal to pi means pi minus 0. So, this is equal to minus 2 pi. So, 0 into pi is simply 0. So, this is equal to plus pi square. So, 2i is equal to minus 2 pi plus I square, pi square. So, I will take pi is common, it becomes pi minus 2. So, therefore, I is equal to 1 by 2 into pi, pi minus 2. So, therefore, integration of 0 to pi x tan x dx by secant x plus tan x is equal to 1 by 2 into pi, pi minus 2. So, this is very important question for your examination point of view. Please once and you practice this type of questions for examination. Now, I will go to solve the second question. So, let I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx by 1 plus cos square x. So, I will solve this question using substitution method. Afterwards, I will use properties of different integrals in this question. See here. So, let cos x is equal to t minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Applying limits, upper limit and lower limit. Upper limit x is equal to pi by 2. So, what is t? Put here x is pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0. So, t is 0. Next, x is equal to 0, cos 0 is equal to 1. So, t becomes 1. Therefore, I is equal to integral. Now, limits are changed by changing the variable. So, this is equal to 1 to 0 minus dx by minus dx means sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So, minus dt by 1 plus t square. So, I write here sin x dx is equal to minus dt for your clear understanding. So, this is equal to 0 to 1 dt by 1 plus t square. Can you say that why I write integral 1 to 0 minus dt by 1 plus t square as 0 to 1 dt by 1 plus t square? So, I used the property integral a to b fx dx is equal to minus of integral b to a fx dx. So, 1 to 0 can be written as 0 to 1 by changing its sign. So, this is equal to 1 by 1 plus t square. We know that 1 by 1 plus t square is equal to tan inverse t. So, it is tan inverse t 0 to 1. Now, applying limits, it is tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 1. So, by what value of tan becomes it is equal to 1, that is tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. So, I write this as tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus tan inverse of tan 0. So, tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. So, this value is pi by 4 minus this value is 0. So, hence the value of the given definite integral is equal to pi by 4. So, therefore, the value of integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx by 1 plus cos square x is equal to pi by 4. So, I will solve one more question children. So, dear children, see these questions. 1, evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of sin x by square root of sin x plus square root of cos x dx. And second question, evaluate 0 to pi by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 secant power 3 by 2 x dx upon secant power 3 by 2 x plus cosecant power 3 by 2 x. And question number 3, evaluate 0 to pi by 2 cot power 5 x dx upon cot power 5 x dx plus sin tan power 5 x dx. So, all three questions there seems to be a similar method. So, I will solve one question. Solution. Let I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 square root of sin x by square root of sin x plus square root of cos x dx. So, can you say that which property we use here? Yes, use the property 0 to a fx dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So, quietly this property is useful to evaluate the given question. So, this is I am writing as square root of means square root of sin pi by 2 minus x by square root of sin pi by 2 minus x plus square root of cos pi by 2 minus x. I treat this is equal to 1. Now, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin pi by 2 minus x is equal to cos x. So, I can write this as square root of cos x. This is equal to, similarly, this is equal to square root of cos x plus square root of cos pi by 2 minus x is equal to square root of sin x dx. I write this as equation 2. Now, adding 1 and 2, what we get, can you expect? Yes, I plus I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 square root of sin x plus square root of cos x upon square root of cos x plus square root of sin x dx. See here, the both numerator and denominator are same. So, I can cancel this one, you will get 0 to pi by 2 dx. So, integration of 0 to pi by 2 dx is equal to integration of this is x 0 to pi by 2 and substitution you will get pi by 2 minus 0, it is pi by 2. So, 2i is equal to pi by 2. What is I value? I is equal to, clearly it is pi by 4. So, the given question has the value pi by 4. See that one, or the questions are similar to it? Yes. So, can you find the answers? Just I will give 1-2 minutes and give me the answer solution without calculating. So, what is the answer for first question? Pi by 4. Yes, it is correct. The answer is equal to pi by 2. The second question is also, it is also pi by 4. Sorry, the above question is equal to pi by 4 and this is also pi by 4. So, both answers are same. So, this type of questions are always having solution, same solution is pi by 4. This type of questions also very easy to evaluate in a competitive examinations also. So, it gives a less time to find the answer. Yes, children. So, note these questions. I will solve one question. The second question also same type, you can solve this question. Solution. First of all, what is modulus of x? So, we know that modulus of x is equal to x if x greater than or equal to 0 and it is equal to minus x if x is less than 0. Similarly, see here, what is modulus of x minus 5? Modulus of x minus 5 is, it is x minus 5 if x is greater than or equal to 5 and this is equal to minus of x minus 5 if x is less than 5. In this situation, we have to know and we have to write the definition of modulus of x minus 5. Now, look here, the integral is given 2 to 8. It means it falls between 2, 5 and 8. So, 5 is between 2 and 8. We can split this limit into, we can split this integral into sum of two integrals. See here, 2 and 8. So, I will write 5 here. So, it means the sum of two integrals, integral 2 to 5 fx dx plus integral 5 to 8 fx dx. So, I will write this as integral 2 to 8 modulus of x minus 5 dx as integral 2 to 5. So, 2 to 5 means it is less than 5. So, we can take the fx is equal to minus of x minus 5 dx plus and 5 to 8. 5 to 8 means more than 5, means x is greater than or equal to 5. So, we can write modulus of x minus 5 is equal to x minus 5. This is x minus 5 dx. The remaining is, we have to evaluate, simplify this one by using this limits. So, 2 to 5, it is, I will write as 5 minus x dx plus integral 5 to 8 x minus 5 dx. So, this is equal to, after applying the limits, I will get 5x minus x square by 2, 2 to 5 plus x is integration of x is equal to x dx is equal to x square by 2, integration of 5 is equal to 5x, 5 to 8. So, I can substitute first x is equal to 5 here, it is 25 minus 25 by 2 minus of x is, put x is equal to 2 here, this is equal to 10 minus, it is equal to 2. Next, plus again x is equal to 8, it is 64 by 2, 64 by 2 is 32 minus 5 into 8 is 40 minus of 5 is equal to 25 by 2 and minus 25. So, we have simplify this one, we will get 25 minus 25 by 2 minus 8 and this is equal to minus 25 by 2 plus 25. So, minus 25 by 2 minus 25 by 2 is plus minus 25 and plus 25 get cancelled. So, this is 25 minus 16 is equal to 9. So, integral 2 to 8 modulus of x minus 5 dx is equal to answer is equal to 9. This is very important question for 4 marks, and similarly we can also evaluate this question by using the same property. So, dear children, now see the question, evaluate the integral 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. So, can you apply here definite integrals properties? Yes. So, see here, let I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 logarithm of 1 plus tan x dx. So, apply the property 0 to pi by 4 logarithm of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x dx. Let I is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. Now, applying the property, integral 0 to a f x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So, this is equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x dx. So, this is equal to 0 to pi by 4 logarithm of 1 plus, it is in the form of tan pi by 4 minus x is in the form of tan a minus b. What is tan a minus b? Tan a minus b is, it is tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. So, we use this formula for this tan pi by 4 minus x. So, I write this as tan pi by 4 is 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x is 1 into tan x is equal to tan x. This is equal to 0 to pi by 4 logarithm of, after simplifying we get 2 by 1 plus tan x dx, because 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x is equal to logarithm of 2 by 1 plus tan x. So, this is equal to, now it is in the form of logarithm of a by b. By using laws of logarithms, logarithm of a by b is equal to logarithm of 2 minus logarithm of 1 plus tan x. Now, I can write this as integral 0 to pi by 4 logarithm of 2 dx minus integral 0 to pi by 4 logarithm of 1 plus tan x dx. See here, this is integration 0 to pi by 4 log 2 x dx is equal to logarithm of 2 integral 0 to pi by 4 dx minus, this is given as, we assume it is I. So, I write this is equal to I. So, this implies when bring it to I come to left hand side, there will be I plus I is equal to 2I. 2I is equal to logarithm of 2 and x 0 to pi by 4. So, this is equal to logarithm of 2 into pi by 4 minus 0, or this is equal to pi by 4 logarithm of 2. So, 2I is equal to pi by 4 logarithm of 2, then what is I? I is equal to pi by 4. I write this as I is equal to pi by 8 logarithm of 2. So, therefore, the given integral 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx is equal to pi by 8 log 2. It is also very important question in examination point of view. My dear children, see here the question, evaluate 0 to 2 pi cos power 5x dx, and the second question, evaluate integral minus pi by 2 sin power 7x dx. Now, I will solve this question, integral 0 to 2 pi cos power 5x dx. So, can you tell me whatever function this is, cos power 5x dx? So, it is a cos power 5x dx is a even function. Let fx is equal to cos power 5x dx, f of minus x is equal to cos minus x whole power 5, this is equal to cos power 5x dx. So, since the integrand is a even function, I can write this as 0 to pi cos power 5x dx is equal to 2 times 0 to pi cos power 5x dx. Now, this is equal to 0 to, it is a even function. So, I can also write this as 0 to 2 times 0 to pi by 2 into cos power 5x dx. So, this is equal to 4 times 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5x dx. This is equal to 4 into integral 0 to pi by 2. I write this cos power 5x as cos power 4x into cos x dx. So, this is equal to 4 into 0 to pi by 4 cos power 4 as 1 minus sin square x whole square into cos x dx. So, take the substitution, sin x is equal to t. So, cos x dx is equal to dt. So, then afterwards you substitute these values and evaluate it completely. And come to second question, evaluate integral minus pi by 2 pi by 2 sin power sin x dx. The integrand is an odd function. So, apply the formula minus a to a fx dx is equal to directly 0 if fx is equal to odd. So, there ends this one. So, therefore, the value is equal to 0. So, children, you practice this type of questions, so you will get a good marks.